Good morning. Welcome to the March 27th Board of Contract and Supply. First order of business is approval of the meeting minutes held on March 20th, 2024. Do you have a motion?
Motion.
With second?
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Second order of business, permission to advertise. This is an RFQ for the sewer terminal pump station, or TPS, which is in need of a new construction. This is tied to the joint sewage treatment plan and part of a grant application we're doing through the state of New York. Ron or Franco, anything else you want to add?
No, I believe from everything I heard at the sewage treatment plant board that we're gonna be taking it over in its entirety
Yes,
right now.
the construction project.
Yep.
That's correct.
Mayor, I put the whole proposal to the joint sewage board yesterday based off the conversation you and Mayor Meany had last week, and explained that we're going out to RFQ for the design services for this.
Okay.
And that we plan on paying for this once it comes in through the settlement funds.
And just real quick on this, the project title on the last page of this. This needs to be updated. Okay, this is just a draft. Okay. Any other questions? Do you have a motion?
Motion.
Of a second?
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Purchase approval. This is for the Boscov's roof project, provide and install roof drain piping and tie in to existing drainage. This is with Evans Mechanical, budget of $4,580 off of Broome County contract. This is additional drainage that's needed on that roof.
Yes.
Okay. The
Mayor,
motion,
What this is when we were putting on the rooftops by the entry to the second floor of Boscov's, we had to put an extra drain in there, so water didn't accumulate there, and Evans is gonna connect it to away from the doors.
okay. A motion,
Motion.
of a second,
Second.
all those in favor? Aye. Next is purchase approval. This is just a change. We previously approved the 2024 pavement assessment annual fee with robotics. Price is actually up by $800. So the total cost is $15,800. Do we have a motion?
Motion.
Of a second?
Second.
All those in favor? Aye. So got a number of change orders here between Boscov's demo roofing as well as the Water Street parking garage.
Mayor, I'll make a brief thing. All of these are things that Ron, myself, and Franco have worked on over the last, say, 3 weeks, Franco, maybe 2.
Yep.
Trying to get everything in the transition from a public-private thing to just a public thing. There was some things that were missed,
Mhm.
and this is cleaning up everything. And I mean, a lot of help goes to Conan Saratani from WH Lane to help us with this, and Rob Warholic from Essential Construct. This should be, there's one other potential items out here. This should clean up everything for the foundation and the Boscov's work.
Okay. So just so we have it on the record, I'll read off all of the change orders that have to do with these various projects. So change order number 4 with Essential Contracts for Boscov's demo and roofing for steel inspections, the amount of $8,095. We have change order number 5 with Essential Constructs for Boscov's demo and roofing to provide and replace deteriorated structural steel, the amount of $14,590. Next, we have a change order number 6 with Essential Constructs for crane service and the crane service to install the 2 new cooling towers, the amount of $14,507. We have change order 1 with William H. Lane. This is for the parking garage foundation increase for excavation and backfill in the amount of $221,809.50. Change order number 2 with William H. Lane for foundation work at the Water Street ramp to furnish and install a transformer vault and pad, the amount of $5,948. change order number 3 with William H. Lane for foundation at Water Street parking ramp to add a wall. Is on GA line. I asked that question last week. What's a GA line? So it's a
It's
wall
just-
that runs along concrete.
Yeah, so every one of those lines may are going north and south, east to west. Have an alphanumerical designation to them.
Got it.
So that was the GA line.
This
Got
was
it.
originally a line that was gonna be done after the erection. It has to be done before the erection.
Got it. This is in the amount of $67,442. Then we have change order number 4 with William H. Lane for foundation at Water Street ramp work. This is a decrease for frost walls at the crane pad location. This is a decrease of $23,202. And then finally, this is in change order number 1 with Unistress. This is a precast supplier for additional engineering work to determine crane mat requirements for precast erection, as well as geotechnical data that's required by one of their subs in the amount of $3,465. So since those are all related to one project, any other discussion or questions on those slate of Boscov's demo and Water Street parking garage?
No. Not
Mayor,
for me.
I'll make one other comment here. is
Sure.
We should have the erection of the precast going up on May 1st. Originally, we were hoping that to be April 15th. So right now, we're about 2 weeks behind, and that's a good schedule as of today.
Okay. Do we have a motion for approval of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Change orders.
8 change orders with additions and subtractions for the Water Street parking garage?
Motion.
Do we have a second?
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any other add-on? Okay, do we have a motion to adjourn CNS?
Motion.
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye.